Solve the following system of equations graphically on this set of axes below. Okay, so first order of business, we want to remind you that we want to graph things into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Your b values found to the right of the x, usually with an add or subtract, and your m, that's the number that sits directly in front of the x. So I'm going to have my students tell me what the m and the b is, just as proof that they understand what to do. So my b value is listed right here, this positive 7, so b is 7. And then the number that I can put in front of that is going to be a negative 1. And then you can make an integer, that's any positive or negative number. You can go ahead and make it a fraction by putting it over 1. So my m is negative 1 over 1. My b value is 7. For the next one, my m value for this next one, the number in front, is going to be 1 over 2. And then my b value is to the right of x is going to be a negative 2. So let's go ahead and graph the first one. I'm going to start with my b value of positive 7. I always tell kids, when it comes to graphing, think of b as where you begin and m is where you move. So begin with b, move with m. So I'm going to find positive 7 on the y-axis. That's this number right here. And then I will go down 1 because rise says I go down, and then right 1. So there's the first one that's been graphed. All right, my b value in the second equation is negative 2. So from the origin, I'm going to go down 2 units and put a dot. That's where I'm beginning. And then my slope is up 1, right 2. So up 1 and then right 2. And then all we have to do is write the intersection where they're actually going to be crossing each other. So the point where they cross right here is going to be 6, 1, because we would notice my x value, if I simply travel down to the x-axis, that's 6. And remember, x comes before y alphabetically. So this is going to be 6, 1. And again, if you want to find the y value, just slide it over here to the y-axis. So here we go. 6, 1. So from the origin to get there, we'd go 6 units to the right, up 1, you're good to go.